Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Spongebob Squarepants, Stumble Guys style. Hope you can join me and have some fun. Let's draw. Let's start Spongebob Squarepants Stumble style with the top of his head. So we're just going to bring a couple of bumps through here near the top of our page. That'll do. Then we're going to bring the side down and then bring that, it's coming in on an angle, so bring that down, bump that down to about here. Now we can do a little bit of a bumpy line through here. This is where his sponge meets his shorts, and then just bump this back out. So bring that, bump that down. It's just a bumpy like zigzag line through there. Now we've got his shirt coming out, so let's bring his shirt out the side. There's his sleeve of his shirt on that side. You see a little bit less on this side. Let's put his eyes on about halfway up. We're going to draw a rounded shape for his eye like so. We're going to do the same on the other side, about there. Put a white dot, white circle on the right hand side. He's got 3 eyebrows, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now he's got some circles here, one, smaller one, bigger one, bigger one, smaller one. Now because he's looking that way, you see a little bit of this side, so let's bump that down like so, and he's got some more spongy bits over this side as well. Now let's bring his arm, Stumble Guy's arm, there's one. This comes down, this is his pants. Bring that across here like so. Now he's got his shirt, so directly in the middle of here we're going to put his tie. There's where his tie is going to go, like that. This is where his shorts and shirt meet, so bring that around, and he's got this line down there, because that's just the side of him through there. Now he's got a shirt collar, 1 triangle, 2 triangles. Now he's got a belt, so let's draw where his belt goes through first on his shorts, and then let's draw a black line for his belt. Draw his belt. To there. Now we've got his feet and legs and feet. So he's got his leg we're looking straight at. That comes around, there's his leg coming out from his shorts. And this leg's a bit more side on, but not too bad, so you don't see as much of the inside of that. And then let's bring that right down and around like so. This one comes down and around like that. He's got some socks, there's his socks. And he's got some stripes on his socks. So he's got white top with a couple of stripes. I might get a thinner pen for that. This is his shoe that you're looking straight at with his sole. And this is his shoe here that is more side on with the sole of his shoe. It's going to colour in his eyes. And let's put his other arm on, thumb, and curve his arm up and around there. So that's all his arm in there.